Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another reaction. We have another one from Cakra, and we have Make It Rain Ed Sheeran cover. So with that being said, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and let's get into it.
So this next song, actually this is one of my favorite songs as well. It's called Make It Rain.
I've never heard this song.
There's Ed Sheeran version or the original one for fans, if I'm not mistaken. Jadi lagu ini benar-benar kalau kalian dengerin aslinya sih, aduh, saya coba yang terbaik aja. I try my best, I hope you enjoy it. If you know this song, please sing along with me, even though I'm not there. Just sing with me.
Well, I don't know it, so I will let you sing.
When the sins of my father weigh down in my soul, and the pains of my mother will not let me go. Well, I know that there comes fire from the sky to refine the purest of kings. And even though I know this fire brings me pain, even so, just the same, sing it. Make it rain, make it rain, oh make it rain, yeah, sing with me. Oh, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Oh, the seed needs the water before it grows out of the ground, but it just keeps on getting hard, and the hunger more profound. Well, I know that they can count tears from the eye, but they may as well be in vain. And even though I know these tears come with pain, even so, just as I am, hey, make it rain down, Lord, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down on me. Just make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Where the seas are full of water, stops by the shore, just like the reaches of grandeur. No, 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 they never reach the port. Never. the clouds fill with thunderous applause, and let lightning beat the veins, and fill the sky with all that they can draw. When it's time to make a change, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Sing it loud. Oh, make it rain, make it rain down on me, Lord, make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain down on me, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain down on me, Lord. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. If you listen to me, please sing this part. Come on, one more time. Make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, make it rain. Thank you. Cheers. Dah.
Oh my gosh, that was just so beautiful. This definitely feel like, I think it's like a church song, or it just the way he sounds makes it that way. But overall, this was amazing. Like, he is so much fun and animated when he sings. Like, you don't want to have somebody just sing and just be like, dude. Like, I'm glad he incorporated a little bit of fun into this, but this was just amazing. First time ever hearing the song and hearing him sing this. So this was the icing on the cake. Just beautiful. So, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. I love me some him. Like, his voice is just phenomenal beyond his years. Like, oh my gosh, gets me every time. So, like I said, yet again, give me a like, comment down below some more suggestions, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.